Welcome to Mathartic with a new geometry challenge. In this question, a triangle is given. The length of this side is given as x minus 1. The length of the other side is given as x plus 1. And these two angles are given as 45 and 60 degrees. The question asks to find the value of x. Let's start the solution. In the first step, I'm going to add the altitude. Therefore, we have right angle here and right angle here. And these two triangles are right triangles. Because these are right triangles, this angle is 45 and this angle is 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. I call the length of altitude as h. So let's use our basic trigonometry relations. Let's write the relation for sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, which is going to be h over x plus 1. If I replace the value of sine 45, it is square root of 2 over 2 is equal h over x plus 1. And from this, h is equal to x plus 1 times square root of 2 over 2. If we apply the same relation for this right triangle, now we have a relation with this angle. Similarly, we have sine 60 degree is equal to h over, this time hypotenuse is x minus 1, and from this square root of 3 over 2 is equal to h over x minus 1, and from this h is equal to x minus 1 times the square root of 3 over 2. The right hand side of these two expressions are equal with each other. So h is equal to h, we can equate these two. And if you equate them, we will have square root of 2 by 2 times x plus 1 is equal to square root of 3 times x minus 1. We multiply both sides by 2, take the x to one side and take the other to the other side. So this will go with this, and we will have and if I solve this, I will have x is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. And if you further simplify this, x is equal to 5 plus 2 times the square root of 6. And so this is the final answer. I know there are other ways to solve this problem. If you know how to solve it using another technique, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.